something exciting has happened for me on this morning. It's a beautiful day. I've just been doing my Saturday morning routine. Hey, Bob. And just been, reading my emails, been reading some good journal articles, the newspaper, all that kind of good stuff. And then I went and checked the mail, and guess what I found? My first shipment of a Cartoonist Guide to the Gospel of Mark showed up in the mail today. I've got 10 copies in here, and I have not actually seen it in person yet. So I thought, let's do this together. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. So I'm going to open up the box of A Cartoonist Guide to Mark, and I wanted you to join me. So you want to give it a shot? I think that'd be kind of fun. All right, so here we go. Got some thumbs up. I got a few people that have joined in. I mean, I had no idea I was going to do this, so this is kind of cool. So here we go. So what happens is I publish my my graphic novels through Ingram Spark. Used to be called Lightning Source. It's a self-publishing platform, and it's a print on demand, so it's pretty cool. So whenever I create one, I order a box of 10 for myself. And I know that some people out there who follow me have already ordered their copy and showed me pictures of it. So that's really cool. So if you've already got one, send me a picture, because I'd love to see what it looks like in your hands. But this is my first time seeing it in real life. So here we go. All right, so it comes through the U.S. Postal Service in a box like this. Pretty simple box. So prepare yourself. Drum roll, please. Oh, I thought it was just taped, but it's actually, how do you do this? Oh, it's got like a perforation on it. So, oh, can I do it? I don't know if I can do it. Here, I'm going to tilt down so you can actually see the unboxing. There we go. So I'm going to open it up like this. Can I open it? I don't know if I can open it. Here we go. Oh yeah. There it is, everybody. This is the first time I'm seeing this. Dun dun dun! There it is. A Cartoonist Guide. So I'm going to come up so you can see me seeing it. Yeah, so watch out for paper cuts. Thanks, Bob. Yeah, I'm safe. It worked well. So here we go. Here it is. It is, the real test is, did it print well? So I'm going to open it up. A Cartoonist Guide to the Gospel of Mark. Yeah, that looks good. There's the index page. Sweet. And then, let's see, there's page 1. I think it came out pretty nice. It's centered well on the page. Looks like an actual graphic novel. So it's a full color graphic novel. It has, there's actually 24 actual pages of the graphic novel itself. So that's what it looks like on the inside. That's pretty exciting. And for those of you who might be members of Easter Lutheran Church, where I am one of the pastors there and preach quite often, Bob, am I the colorist too? Yeah, this is 100% created by my hands. I draw it, I color it, I do all the lettering, and I even do the layout in InDesign and upload it myself. So it's 100% from start to finish my little personal creation, and one of my passions of using my art to help people access Scripture in a way that brings it to life. So that's kind of cool. Hey, Mark Echo. Hey, man, it's good to see you on here. Thanks for joining in. So that's exciting. You can actually get your copy of this if you go to stevethomason.net/Mark. Boom, it'll take you right to A Cartoonist Guide to Mark. And by the way, you do not have to buy this book. Every single piece of this book is absolutely free in a digital format on my website. And if you're a preacher or a teacher or just love visual learning, every single panel in this book exists as a downloadable PowerPoint that like will take you through every panel and every word balloon step by step, so you can actually work through the entire Gospel of Mark in a PowerPoint, and you can download it on my Gumroad store. And not just a PowerPoint, because if you don't use PowerPoint, when you download that, you also get a zip file with all of the JPEG images compressed. So you just open up that zip file and you'll have all of the slides as JPEG images, so that you can use them, like if you use ProPresenter or Keynote or whatever, you can just pop whichever one of those illustrations you like into them. So you can download that, you can use it. On the website there's commentaries for all of those pages, and Cartoonist Guide to the Bible is my ongoing project to create cartoons and animations to help people understand Scripture. I've been working on it since 2002, back when we did the Heart House house church stuff. So anyway, thanks for joining me for my unboxing. I think it came out great, and let me know if you have any questions.